Howdy! Welcome to episode 2 of Buddy's cooking tutorial. In the first episode, I showed you how to cook up your food, and now I'm going to show you how to catch it. Like that guy over there. Let's get him. Fuck you, George! Get out of here! The first step to catching your food is the right tool. There's all sorts of weapons you can use, but you have to pick the right one for the job. Here we see a wild idiot standing in the middle of the woods, completely unaware that I'm here. Let's take him out. This will be a nice demonstration. Ugh. I just killed a person. If you find it hard to kill someone, just think of them as someone else, like my stupid bitch ex-wife Martha. Let's look at another example. Now what if they're far away like this guy? Well, all you gotta do is get a long-range weapon, like this bow and arrow for example. Let's take a shot. Wow, I got him! And if nothing else fails, you can always use the art of surprise. That was so sneaky. Never underestimate how useful the water can be. Fuck you! Or what if they're blending in with the crowd? Excuse me? Pardon me? No need to be of any trouble here. Excuse me? Nothing to see here, don't worry, don't worry. I'll be on my way, thank you, thank you. You can even get people staked out in a fort. Or even people at a market. Hey, I'd like to purchase one. Hi, you die! They standing too close to a wall? Shove them in. Ah! I said shove them in. Get down here. Just remember to always use the art of surprise. I'm a bat. It was all a trick. I was a guy.